Family, greetings. Greetings in the name of the God of our ancestors. I pray and hope all is well with the I and the I them family. This blessed Tuesday morning, wherever you find yourself in the four corners of the earth. This is where I find myself at this present time, in nature. Nice and beautiful feeling. How you doing? How are things going on in the neck of your woods? You're in this type of environment at this moment. It does something to the soul, Nature. It does something to the soul. Nature. It is natural. It does something to the soul. I love it. Yeah, we love it. If it's your first time passing by this channel, incidentally or accidentally, you're welcome. And if you feel the vibes, don't feel no way to like, share, and subscribe. We're Dep on patrol. We're Dep on watch. Africa's vanguard. Everything is everything, family. We're just out and about this morning, in nature. Closest to God Almighty is the natural habitat of nature. Be it raining, be it sunning, be it shining, be it glooming. Nature. It does something to our soul, Try it, man. Come out in amongst nature, breathe the fresh air, walk amongst the shrubbery, graze amongst the trees, It does something. It does something. It uplifts you, man. Because, sometimes we have that inner fight with the enemy. The enemy in me. You know that inner fight? Yeah. With the enemy in me. Your number one, your greatest enemy. In me. He's inside. Or she's inside. And once you can overcome them, or just step out in nature. Because we don't know nature is where you will find the four elements that make up life. Because without them four elements, there wouldn't be no such thing as life. And those four elements, as you know, is earth, air, fire, and water. Right now, at this immediate moment, I'm vibrating off of the two, air and earth, because I'm not close to the sea. And you don't know, the fire is not literally a match's light to bush, Yeah, big man, all right. The fire is the word. The fire is that word that ignite or agitate, motivate and inspire. The fire is the word that purifies the soul, that bring about changes in our attitude, in our mannerism, in our discipline within life. So the fire is not actually fire and smoke. The fire is the word. That truthful, that upful, that boastful not word of purification, like the truth. Fire would be the truth. The word is the truth, the word. When the truth pierces you, the ginch, you have to make the necessary correction. So, life. That's why we stay giving thanks and praises for this thing, this beautiful, precious gift called life. You know? Because it's life. Life is what gives life. Life is what gives life. Life is how come we there here. It's not death and them thing bring we here, you know. It's life. Yeah, life bring life. Life begot life. Out of life is more life. So don't give up on the struggle. The struggle is real. If you're giving up on the struggle, you're giving up on yourself. The struggle is real. And with the struggle, we don't need to bargain or deal. We're going straight up the middle. In the name of righteousness, you know. In the name of doing good. In the name of humanity, being humane to one another. It's not everybody you're here to get along with as individually, but collectively we're getting together for that one cause. You know? So don't give up the struggle. Struggle on. Struggle on. Struggle on, family. Everything is everything. If you're feeling the vibes, don't feel no way to like, share, and subscribe. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. And the first step we're going to take is 1,000. We need your assistance to help get us there. You know? This thing's beautiful, you know? I'm telling you, if you're feeling down, discouraged, a little downtrodden within your spirit, within your soul, just go in within your core and pull up a little strength and find a place, a natural surrounding. It don't have to be no big extravagant, you have to fly here and fly there. Somewhere in your local community that you could find a little peace, a little tranquility, a little time for hear yourself think, or listen to the birds, them chirping, giving thanks and praises unto the higher one, you know. The higher one. Yes, beautiful. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Shout out to all parents. Single mothers, single fathers. Don't give up. Because guess what? Them same little youths of today, them little babies and infants and toddlers of today, is the man and woman, boys and girls of tomorrow. So extend your patience with them a little while longer. You know? Be a little more supportive of them a little while longer. You know? And everything will fall into place. We have a saying back home, you know. Puppy one day, the stern dog. So, them youths there, once you do them right and bring them up in the way they're supposed to be brought up, our old age and slow age will be one of comfort, you know. Yeah, one of comfort, you know, easy, taking it easy like Sunday morning. Yes, family. I think I'm gonna leave it here, you know. We're gonna head in and get ready to face whatever this beautiful day have in store for us. Once again, if you feel the vibes, don't feel no way to like, share, and subscribe. We're there on patrol. We're there on watch. Africa's vanguard. Yes, family, peace and love, peace and blessings. Have a blessed one. God Almighty bless you. Don't let them stress you. Rastafari.